Louis, why you do me like that? Why? I don't understand. I've been good to you.
Why you make it so complicated? Pump a drink and we concentrating. I know you won't.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back. Over here on my channel, you will find luxury, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle vlogs. If that's something you're interested in, then please click the subscribe button right now, okay? So we got a luxury unboxing, y'all. And I'm excited because when last time I did a luxury unboxing, like, I don't know, it was like earlier this year. Your girl been lacking. She haven't been shopping like she used to, but, you know, my birthday just passed, so I picked up an item, and y'all, Louis, why you do me like that? Why you do me like this? I am so disappointed, y'all. I'm disappointed, but I'm going to let y'all know why. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so we have her in this box right here. So quick little background, really quick. My birthday was November the 19th. I celebrated in DC, y'all, and this is where I found her. I'm gonna show y'all. It is so hard to find the items I'm looking for here where I stay in Michigan. We only have one large Louis Vuitton store, which is in Somerset Mall, and then we have a smaller like boutique in Saks Fifth, and they never really have anything. It's hard to get in touch with someone, so you know, I never bother. I usually like travel. When I travel, I find most of my luxury items that I'm looking for. It's good to make connections when you do travel, so you can have different sales associates to help you out when you are looking for an item. So the young lady who helped me out, I believe it was the Wharf. Was it the Wharf location? I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen, but she was very helpful. In helping me find this item. It was not in stores. They had one size smaller and I could not fit them. So we shipped my size to the house, which I thought was my size. So let's get into it, okay? This item has been on my wish list for a while. And I've just been procrastinating, and I see why, because this item did not work out for me, y'all. So it came boxed up. I told her to send me a gift bag and all that good stuff, and I didn't get that, but whatever. It don't even matter at this point, right? So, what did I get? What did I get? Y'all, I got these clogs. How cute. These are so freaking cute, right? But I am so disappointed because I am not able to fit these. When I was in stores, I tried on, I believe, a 41. I'm thinking these are a size 42. Yeah, these are a 42. And I still can't fit them, y'all. I can't fit them at all. The back of my heel is hanging. And these shoes are very narrow. So if you have smaller, you know, regular size feet, you ain't in a big foot club, then you'll be good. I wouldn't say these are for like girls with wide feet, but I do have like slim feet, but they just, like I said, they didn't work. These are so cute, and they do have these like in men. I looked them up, but they look nothing like these, and I was like, no, I'm not going to get the men's version, which are these. If y'all can see, it's a no, ma'am. It has the black hardware instead of the gold, and I'm a gold girl. They are cheaper than the women's, but nah. So, let's see. So I think the retail price is $1,314. No, I'm sorry. That's what I paid for with tax. They're $1,240. And then with the tax, it was $1,314.40, y'all. And I got it at the Washington, D.C. City Center location. And that's Palmer Alley. If y'all familiar with that, it's like a luxury area. They have Chanel. They got whatever you could think of. Gucci. Whatever. Everything over there. Beautiful shopping area. But like I said, these, I am like so heartbroken that I have to return these. They didn't work. I had got an outfit. Y'all, let me show you. I got a sweater that I found at H&M. I was like, oh baby, it's gonna go perfect. Let me show y'all the little sweater. I was ready to wear these, and I was like, oh, with some little jeans, I could do casual, cute, and no ma'am, it just didn't work out. But I would definitely recommend these if you have, like I said, smaller feet, or you're just like right there in between a 41 and a 42. Go for it. Go for it. I'm really hurt, but these are so freaking nice. So pretty. I am really like I said, I am very like disappointed. These are comfortable. I tried them on in stores. I walked around in them, and the back of my heels was hanging off, y'all, like I said. But she was like, oh, you'll be good. We just gonna go one size up. It should be able to work out for you. And no, ma'am, it just didn't work out. But it's okay. I think I am going to exchange these for another item that I had on my wish list that has been out of stock for quite some time, and it recently restocked online. So I'm hoping they have it in stores. If not, they can, get it shipped to me ASAP, because I'm excited about this other item that I wanted. But let me see if I can try them on and give you an idea of what they look like on. This is what they look like on. As you can see, now I can fit them on, but they are literally just right. And when you get to walking, like my heel is hanging, it really look like I'm forcing it. And I don't want to look like that girl, like, oh my God, like, she really wanted them shoes. Look at her heel hanging off. And then when I put them on with socks, they are like this. I'm going to show y'all with socks on. But they are really cute. Really, really cute. Okay, I want to show you what they look like with socks on, y'all. So, as y'all can see, your girl heel is hanging off a little. It's just not working out. Much as I want to keep these, I can't. Like when I'm walking, I can feel my heel coming off. Like, baby, no. Okay, so like I was saying, when I walk, it pushes my heel back for some reason. Like, y'all can see clearly my heel is hanging off. So, unfortunately, like I said, they will have to go back. Okay, guys, so pretty much this sums it up for my review on these shoes. Okay, so these are the Cosy Flat Comfort Clogs. If you're thinking about getting these, I would definitely say go for them. They are totally worth buying. Like I said, just be mindful if you have large feet like I do. I would definitely recommend trying these on in stores first. Like I said, they didn't have a 42 in stores, so I wasn't able to try on my size to decide, you know. But yeah, I'm a little upset it didn't work out, but it's okay, y'all. So just stay tuned for the next video, and I'm going to show you guys what I ended up picking out tomorrow. I'm going to take these back, and I'm going to find something different, like I said. So if you enjoyed this luxury unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you would pick these up or not. Are you feeling the clogs? We know the clogs are in, honey. Yes, they are. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.